Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and today I'm going to show you how to make a post in your WordPress blog. So the first thing that we do when we log in is we see the dashboard, and we're going to come over to the button over here called Posts, and we're going to click on it. And it brings us right to the All Posts area where we can see all the posts that we've already created. But today we're going to create a new post, and I'm going to click Add New. And I'm going to give my blog post a title, so it's going to be Jim and Jane's California wedding photos. And the reason I titled it that is because maybe I want to get some search engine optimization keywords in there like California wedding photos. Maybe that's a term I'm going for. So maybe I want to put that in some of my titles. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. And I'm going to go ahead and paste in some text that I've already got prepared for this blog post. And now I'm going to go ahead and add an image. So I'm going to come up to this area that says Upload Insert, and if you roll over it, it says Add Media. I'm going to go ahead and click this little icon next to that. And I'm going to go ahead and click this Select Files. And I'm going to find some images that have already been cropped and ready for my post. So I'm going to go ahead and click one, open it. You're going to see that it loads. And the important thing here is that after it loads, you want to make sure you come down here and you click Full Size. And then you want to click Insert into Post, and that's actually going to put it in the post. So I'm going to go ahead and add another image, and I'm going to click this icon again, select Files, and I'm going to go ahead and add this image, click Open. And once it loads here, again, I'm going to make sure it's full size and I insert into post. Any of these options here on the size are going to actually reduce the size. I want it to be the size that I've already cropped. So I'm going to go ahead and click Insert Post. And now I have my two images in here, as you can see. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to come to this area and I want to flag this post with the different categories that it's associated with. So maybe this is associated with fashion. And maybe I want to add a new category, and I want to call it California. And I want to make it San Diego. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a new post and click Add New Category. And it's going to put it right here. And so I can flag this blog with as many categories as I want. And categories are a great way to organize and allow people to find things that they're looking for specifically. So if you have a weddings category, they can just see all the weddings posts. If you have, a California, you do destination weddings, a Hawaii category, they can just see all the Hawaii posts and so on. So that's a great way to just organize them. So make sure that you're adding categories and you are associating blogs with different categories. Then if you come down here, these are tags. Tags are a great way to help people find information regarding to the blog. So I might want to tag this with maybe the client's name, so maybe Jim and Jane. I might want to tag this with, put a comment in here and do destination, wedding. I might want to tag this with maybe outdoor. You'll find different things that maybe people are going to be searching for, and this kind of helps that along. So I'm going to click Add down here. I comma separated any of those, and you can see them all here. And if I want to get rid of one, I can go ahead and just click the little X next to it, and it gets rid of it. And then down here you have featured images. So when we're making blog sites, sometimes we have home pages or we have blogs that have these little kind of teasers. So this is what the feature image is, and when I click on it, it takes me to the actual blog post. In our blog site like Vega, these would be the feature posts. So not every blog or blog site has these, but it's an optional thing. So if your blog does have this, then you can go ahead and click here to set a featured image, and it's the same process to actually upload an image. So I'm going to click this one to be my featured image, and when it gets down here, the only difference is instead of insert into post, I'm going to use featured image. So there it is, and I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and you'll see now that this is the featured image that is associated with this blog post. This excerpt area, in some of our blogs or blog sites, we have an area where you can type in an excerpt, which is a little bit of text. And if you want to add that specific excerpt text in there, you can do it right here. So, maybe it's a just a few lines kind of talking about what this blog post is about, and so it's just a little snapshot of maybe what the blog is about, and you can put it right in there. So essentially that is how you make a blog, and then all you'd have to do is click publish, and it'll go ahead and publish this blog now, and you can see that it's published right here. So if I want to backdate it, I can come in here and edit the date. If I want to date it for the future and kind of keep it at the top, it'll publish now, but I can keep it towards the top. That's kind of a little trick to do that. Now if I want to delete this post, I'm going to come in here to all posts, and you'll see that it's right here, and all I have to do, if I want to edit it, I can click edit, or I can go ahead and trash it. So I'm going to go ahead and trash it, and now it's gone. And so that's how you create a blog post, and how you delete a blog post, and how you edit a blog post. And I hope that was informative, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us through support, and we have more information at intothedarkroom.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.